A big focus of our business is entry doors. I mean, it goes hand in hand with the locksmithing.
This is one of the major reasons why we've survived so well in this downturn.
We specialize in dealing with homeowners, not builders. We deal almost exclusively with homeowners on residential garage doors.
By not being connected to new construction as greatly as most of the door companies out there, we were not affected by the lack of new construction now in the market.
We service all types of doors and motors, as well as install and supply new ones.
Now we're seeing a lot of those people trying to change their game plans to be more like our model. We're already there. We're ready to handle the service and repair and replacement. That's why we've continued to do well in this downturn.